And welcome to a quick tutorial on how to get a trial through TradeStation through the Trading App Store, and then how to actually install. This is Andrew Horowitz, and I'm the co-founder of TriggerCharts. We're going to take you through the process from a blank workspace inside of TradeStation, going through the app in the App Store, applying for and requesting a trial or a subscription, and then loading it into your TradeStation platform. So the first thing you do is when you open up TradeStation, and you may have a particular workspace open, that's fine. You want to click in, this is version 10, you want to click on the apps in the upper right-hand column there. And what you want to do is find the Trading App Store app. Click that, and it will open up inside of your window another window, which will enable you to then, once it opens up, you can extend it a little bit, and there you go. And what you want to do is you want to go to a couple ways to do this. So let's say you go to the TriggerCharts Commander Series and you want to do a trial. Well, that's going to be an area you can click on right here because you are inside of the TradeStation platform already. So if I click free trial, it's going to say, well, what are you going to do? Are you already a client or you're new? So you're going to be a client already, and you have to then log in. So what you want to do from there is you want to simply, let's kind of take this and move this a little bit and go into, let's pull it right there. You can do your login, you agree, and you start your trial. Simple as that. So now you can go to your subscriptions, for example, and say you have this, and it's obviously on trial, okay? So what you do next is, and we'll reduce this down and we'll close this for a moment. We'll close that browser. Go back to your apps, and then go over to your trading store updates. Now, sometimes there is a delay in actually getting the trial, but let's take a look at what's going on here. So what we're going to do is look over on trials, nothing there, nothing in subscriptions, okay? So again, we're going to say updates, see in this, the trial area, if that comes down. And if that doesn't work, what I like to do is log off and then log back on. Let's wait for this to load. Let's go back to our apps and go to our trading store app updates. And it's still not there. So basically what we're going to do is we'll wait a little while. Now let's give this a little time to update. So here we are. We waited a few minutes and just relogged back in. Let's go to the App Store again, see what's going on there. Go to the Trading App Store updates. And there you go. There it is. So now, again, you have this button for subscriptions and for trials. So now you have the trial right here. And all you do is simply say launch. And the entire workspace is then inside of your particular TradeStation platform. What you want to do now is what I think is a really good practice is to say File, Workspace. Let's go back to that, File, Workspace, and then Save As. So save your workspace as something, okay? Save it as whatever name you want, because if there are updates, you may get some changes. So once you do that, you have this. You could add any symbols that you want right there, and you have the full workspace working for the Commander Series or any of the other TriggerCharts indicators available from the TradeStation Trading App Store. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, just simply email us info@triggercharts.com.